Let's install your ExoTek3 multi-layer protection film. Before we get started, there are a few things to keep in mind. The installation takes 15 to 30 minutes, and you should fully close your garage and turn off any ceiling or ventilation fans. We recommend 2 people install the film for easier placement and alignment. Your installation kit includes a spray bottle, the premixed installation fluid, and a squeegee. You will also need a roll of paper towels. If your windshield is cracked or contains large rock chips, we recommend replacing it prior to installation. Any imperfections will be magnified by the film. You must let the film cure for at least an hour. In humid or adverse weather, 24 to 96 hours may be needed. In some cases, the film may need a week to fully cure. Okay, you're ready to get started. Step 1. Clean any dust and debris off the windshield and in front of your vehicle. Ideally, you should clean the entire vehicle first. Step 2. Spray the windshield with installation fluid and squeegee it off. Step 3. Spray down the windshield again with installation fluid. Don't worry about spraying too much solution on the glass. Just make sure not to leave any dry spots. Step 4. Remove the film liner and generously spray down the film. The more solution, the easier the film will be to install. Step 5. With a friend's help, place the film on the windshield. Align the film's edges with the windshield molding, leaving roughly a 1/4 inch gap. If you need to reposition, spray more solution to prevent the film from drying out and getting damaged. Step 6. Pass the squeegee down the center of the windshield. Use plenty of pressure to secure the film. Then, make several passes down both sides of the windshield, pushing out any trapped water. From inside the cabin, check for any trapped fluid under the film. If needed, make more passes with the squeegee. Wrap the squeegee in a fresh paper towel and go around the edges of the film. If you see any bubbles, let them dry 3 to 5 minutes. Press them down with a squeegee wrapped in a new paper towel. We recommend removing a layer every 6 months for optimal performance. Thank you for choosing ExoTek3 to protect your windshield. For additional assistance, contact us at ExoTek3.com.